All right, I'm on the fourth month of Amazon KDP. So we had an amazing month last month. I sold a ton of books and earned a ton of money, in my opinion. And it's it's amazing the increase that I've seen. So let's take a look at it. So here are the amount of books that I sold last month. So December 1st to December 31st. This is what I sold. So this is a total of 21 books sold for the month of December. That's insane. That's a huge increase. The total amount of sales is $21.16. So it's pretty amazing seeing that, my books, which are low content and coupon books, are selling international. Like the UK is picking up. I sold some the previous month before, and like Italy, people have bought my coupon book, so I'm helping people get laid in Italy. That's pretty freaking awesome. But overall, this is it's kind of re-inspired me because I honestly have not been creating books. I just uploaded like the 100 that I've done before, and I kind of just have letting it sit, and things are picking up. And I think it's more due to Valentine's Day, but overall, this is a huge increase. So if you watch my previous videos, you know that I set a goal of $10. Well, we blew past that. $21, that's that's amazing for the fourth month, in my opinion. So I think it's due to Valentine's Day. I don't think I'm going to be able to equal the amount of sales, but it's going to be interesting. So overall, I hope this inspires you. I literally did all of this for free. I signed up for a free Canva account, created some books, uploaded it, and now it's earning me passive income. So I know there were a few people saying, "Oh, it's just pennies and not a whole lot can be made." Well, I hope this proved to you. I was originally making what, $4 to $6 a month, and now this month, $21. That's a huge increase. If I can hit $20 a month, I will be extremely happy. So I hope this inspires you to kind of maybe branch off, try new things because this was just a gamble for me. I'm trying to generate passive income, other streams of passive income, and this is working. So I'm definitely going to probably start hitting this hard because it's proved to me that you can do it and I improve. So overall, I am extremely happy and yeah, have a great day.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.